Yo, look how they doing me, yo. Look how they doing me. They saying I won the release. Hold on, click that. Look at that. Claim your release. Click on it. It says something went wrong. Why they doing me like this, bro? Look at my boy in the cut. You already know it is. Look at the pointers hitting on the camera too, my dog. I see you, man. Mr. 100K on the way. You feel me? It's coming. It's coming, bro.
You see the crown, gotta keep the crown.
Y'all already know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes, bro. We chilling. We chilling. It's gonna be part of the vlog when I pick these joints up. But y'all know how we coming, bro. Nah, but for real though, I literally won the shoe. Y'all see that, right? Congrats, claim your release. It's not working. Wouldn't that be a crazy way to take an L if you won the shoe, but the app just kept glitching, you couldn't confirm it? That sucks, man. Foot Locker. Fix y'all servers, man. Fix them. All right, dog. Yes, sir. Hell no. Them boys is out for the flus. Ooh wee. Yo, what's going on? Hold on. Not the flu games. Hold on, y'all. Bruh, not the flu games got people out like this. Then the city gear not even opening look like. Oh boy, bro. Holy. What's going on, bruh? Yo, look like city gear ain't trying to open or something. Oh no, chief. Yo, y'all seen it, bro. And we in a bit of a dilemma too, bro. We're in a bit of a dilemma because I hit on Foot Locker. hit on FLX, but I can't access my QR code. It said I confirmed them, but I cannot get to my QR code. So I'm a little nervous, bro. I'm low-key a little nervous. I'm trying to see what they gonna tell me when I pull up, bro. I'm gonna say, it said I confirmed them, so just please let me get this size 9.5, you know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know how y'all release is going, bro. It looked like it was chaotic over there, bro. Didn't want no part of it. I literally just pulled off, you know. I was gonna see if they had some extra pairs, but it don't like it's worth it, bro. Don't like it's worth it. So I'm gonna head to the mall. And again, man, fingers crossed your boy get a pair. So again, let me know in the comment section how your release date is going. Blue Games is looking real sickly, you know what I'm saying? It's looking real crazy outside. And before I sit outside and wait for a line or be in any mess, I pay resale, bro. I ain't got time, bro. I don't got time. But make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy. Run them likes up, bro, because it's release Saturday, bro. It's release Saturday. And you guys seen a little bit of footage earlier. It looking crazy. It looking crazy, man. So I can't wait to see you guys' experiences, y'all comments. And hopefully we walk away with a pair, because still at this current moment, I cannot get on FLX. All it says is all yours. That's all it says. That's all it says right there. But it doesn't say the pickup details, even though I know which store I hit on. And it does not have the QR code. So we're going to see what Foot Locker talking about. Hopefully they give your boy this dub, because, I mean, I did use my points. I did get selected. So we're on the way there now. I know I look crusty right now. Your boy literally just getting up. I was like, bro, I gotta get to it, bro. We gotta get to the video, bro, for y'all. See how y'all day going. And yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoying y'all's day. Hopefully nothing crazy happening. I'm already seeing on Instagram, it's lines for days. And it was even lines overnight, which is crazy. So you guys stick around, stay tuned. Let's see if we can come away with a pair of these Air Jordan 12 Flu Games. Let's get it, man. Yo, guys, I just got charged. Y'all know what that mean, bruh. Y'all know what that mean. Yes, sir. Size 9.5 on the way. Y'all let me know if you're head on sneakers. It's a live cop, bro. Live cop like back in the old days. But again, man, we got the dub on sneakers app. Let's see if we can get a pair in hand so we can check them out today. And yeah, bro, let's just see how Foot Locker do me, since I did confirm them and they just, you know, ain't giving me the QR code yet. Let's see what's going on, y'all. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Ooh, Woo, yes, we gotta break these things down, bro. And I think my energy might have changed up a little bit about these. And shouts out to Foot Locker for, to make sure I was straight. My app was messed up, but I confirmed them, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta break these down, bro. And again, comment how your day is going. These lines is crazy out here. Yo, guys, man, we are back. Y'all see them, man. Your boy was able to secure these guys. And like I said earlier in the video, bro, all last night, I'm at the Atlanta Hawks and OKC Thunder game last night, literally trying to finish confirming my sneaker. I could not do it. It kept glitching. I went onto Foot Locker's Twitter and I seen a bunch of people tweeting at them like, yo, what is going on? Can you fix it? And it's still like, up until I got to the store, I never actually went through the whole process of getting a QR code, but my pair was secured. My name was on the list, and now we have them. But before we get any further, bro, let me know how y'all release is going, bro. It's feeling like 2012, 2013, you know what I'm saying? Those earlier years in the sneaker community, especially when I first started, where people stand in the lines, where you see a whole bunch of stuff going on. And I walked past JD, and I think I walked past another spot, I forget the name of it, but people were like, yo, I thought it was first come, first serve. I ain't getting no raffle ticket. Y'all playing us, y'all backdooring sneakers. And I could not get that on camera because I was like, yo, me personally, bro, I'm getting out of all conflicts. You will not see me in any, mob or anything like that. I will literally walk the other way because it's not that serious, bro. But it was a lot going on, bro. And I want you guys to let me know your experience today on this flu game release day. This release feels totally different from the 2016 release because me personally, I got my pair and it was so easy to get them. Like I ain't had to worry about no lines, nothing like that. And 2025, bro, is looking totally different. But let's go ahead and check them out, bro. Let's check out that 9.5. And I did leave my other pair of flu games in my other crib, but you guys see them, bro. The 2025 Air Jordan 12 flu games, man. And they smelling oh so good, I'm not gonna lie, man. But I told you guys in the earlier video, I said, yo, do not sleep. On top of all the issues we've seen with Foot Locker, on top of all the pairs that just flew off the sneakers app, I think it was only like 30,000 pairs. Bro, if you didn't put that legwork in, put in those raffles at these spots, you probably took an L, or you're probably still waiting for those unconfirmed pairs to get released from like JD, Foot Locker, and stuff like that, which might be slim pickings. If somebody's confirmed these, they most likely are going to go get them. And the resale is currently on the uprise, bro. For the black metallic 5s, the Air Jordan 12 flu games, everything is looking a little wicked, bro. It's looking totally different from what we used to see in the last couple of years. The 40th anniversary is crazy. And again, with less stock on all these sneakers, it's kind of gonna build back up the sneaker game, or Jordan's drops. Definitely Jordan in a sense, and Nike, because we got Galaxies, we getting the Kobe, we getting a whole bunch of stuff from Nike and Jordan brand, and it's all lead up for, this 4th anniversary, and of course, leading into next year's drop, because next year, we're still getting a bunch of bangers as well, man. But check them out, bro. Check out these flu game guys, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And if we get this video up right here to 1,500 likes, bro, 1,500 likes. I'm not dropping to 1,000, bro. If we get this video up to 1,500 likes, y'all go crazy in the comment section. Y'all share this with a friend. I will be giving a pair away for free to one lucky subscriber. So I'm saying, if you want to get this, if you want to do a giveaway, bro, let's get this up to 1,500 likes. I need all you guys to comment your size down below in the comment section. I know a lot of people probably gonna watch the whole video. So if we get this video up 1,500 likes and you drop your size, you will get a free pair of the flu game. So y'all go ahead and run it up, man, especially if you want a free pair of kicks and you just enjoy, the sneak game being back, bro. It's back, man. The sneaker community is back. The sneaker game is back. And who would have thought, right? Pair of flu games in 2025 will be going for over $300, bro. That's kind of crazy, bro. I did not expect it, man. But your boy got a W at Foot Locker, and you guys seen it earlier in the video. I got a pair on the Nike Sneakers app, so I will be giving a pair away. I need you guys to do those 3 simple things. 1,500 likes on today's video. Comment your size, and yeah, we gonna see how y'all do, man. I want to see how y'all doing on this release day, because I'm gonna drop this video before those unconfirmed pairs get released, because that's what people gonna come on YouTube and seeing, you know, how everybody else's release goes. That's the main purpose of these recap videos, to kind of just chop it up with everybody in the sneaker community. See how y'all day went, see what's going on. You guys seen a couple of lines that I endured today, and it was nothing crazy for like what I seen on Instagram. Like Instagram, a whole nother beast. I post a whole bunch of different stuff on my story, and I seen some crazy lines that I would have just walked away, bro. I don't mind paying resale because I'm not waiting hours in line anymore, bro. It's just not happening, man. And before we get any further, I did want you guys to help me out by ranking, you know what I'm saying, your top 3 Air Jordan 12s. I think me personally, bro, I would go flu games, then I would go taxis, and then I would go cherries. And I know that might be a little controversial, but because there is a lot of bangers in terms of Jordan 12s. But I want you guys to let me know your top 3 Air Jordan 12 colorways in your opinion. Not nobody else's opinion. Let me know what you think your favorite. It can be anything, bro. It can even be those blueberry 12s that just came out. I want to see your top 3 Air Jordan 12s down below in the comment section. I know a huge question that's gonna get asked down below. Should you buy now? Should you wait? I think personally you should wait until all the sneakers at pairs and all the, you know, pairs online get shipped to people, which takes about a week. So around next week, middle next week, that's when the price will be at its lowest. But after that, bro, I do not see these going down much. I don't see the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics going down much, or anything like that, because of the low stock that they are dropping in some of these 40th anniversary Air Jordans, man. So, hey, you take that with a grain of salt if you want to. I'm just putting y'all on. Just know, all year, these releases are gonna look exactly like these, exactly like the Black Metallics, because, bruh, Nike, Jordan Brand, they ain't playing no games with these stock numbers, and people are loving the releases we're getting this year, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. If you guys want to see a full review on feet, man, please let me know. I might even just do that tomorrow, you know, why not, you know what I'm saying? But again, man, y'all sub up, hit that notification bell, run them likes up for your boy. 1,500 likes, and we giving a pair away. I promise y'all. So if we get this video up to 1,500 likes, I'm giving away a pair in your size. So y'all test me. Y'all test your boy. See, you know what I'm saying? Test my energy. I'm telling you, bro. We get the 1,500 likes, we giving a pair away. We got to do it, man. But I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Well, all this being said, man, your boy, The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.